Why don't we just, because of the superstar nature of Tesla, why don't we go with that?
Let's do it. All right. What do you want? A daily, weekly, monthly? What do you want to start with?
Let's do a daily. Yeah. What is it? Okay. So right around May, I was, yeah, you can see multiple days in there where I was buying it, and probably got right where your arrow was right there. I probably got shaken out of a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
If you go back 4 days, there, right there, that's where I probably started my position.
Gotcha.
Probably got shaken out of a little bit about 4 days forward, where you see it breaking. You got a lot of fast moving averages in here.
Yeah, I had the 10 EMA, 21 EMA, 30 SMA, and 50. Let me hide a couple of them. And did you get rid of all of your position from the previous run up? Because I know you were in there.
I did. I sold all that. And honestly, Tesla is such a super stock. It's so rare that you would get a climax run and then it reloads to another, to be a true market leader once again. I got very fortunate with Tesla in how I got out of it. I did not handle it ideally perfect, but pretty darn good. But through that period where you just were showing where it broke out, I bought some, I got stopped out of a little bit of it. I probably bumped out a 10, 15% of it. And then I just kept building over, say, 8. If you go way forward several weeks, right, keep right there, go back 5 days, a little bit more right there. I'm sure, I guarantee I added that day for sure. Basically, every time a stock has a digestion of more than a week or two, I will add 5 to 10% more shares on top of my, initial 10, 15, 18% position. And so that just the stock moving up, and Tesla's just picture perfect. It doesn't give much back. It was the number one stock in the number one group.
Exactly.
And how tight, look at how tight it, right where your arrow is, and right in there, look at how tight it got. And then it comes out of there the last, 4 or 5 days, its volume's just gone crazy. And this isn't short covering anymore. I mean, there is some for sure, but it's not like the short squeeze we saw late last year. This is pure buying, I believe. And, it goes beyond I know you want to talk about technicals about this chart, but the fundamentals of this company, between the battery technology and the autonomous driving, the whole thing, everything about it, their innovative CEO, I love that I love the way he goes against the grain. You want to be average, stay in the crowd. You want to be unique, take a step forward. You cannot be exceptional staying in the crowd. And he just says the rules are wrong. I'm changing the rules. I'm doing it different. And that's how you get innovation. And that's how you get a stock to act like this. And institutions believe it. Now we're getting a good bit extended here. I did sell some calls on 10% of my position. I would believe that this stock could gap open tomorrow morning again. This stock could go into a climax. I mean, this is a really good candidate for that. And we haven't seen a lot of that yet. And I think this market may end up that way. We may have several blow-offs here.